My name is Jim Mortrude. I'm Senior Zone Manager for Champion Homes of Indiana, and I will be presenting a few of the many feature benefits associated with factory-built housing. System building is the superior method of building. System-built homes are built in a controlled environment indoors. They are also more efficient due to assembly line construction, and when a worker performs the same task day after day, he becomes much more proficient. A few of the methods employed in building a system-built home include 2x6 sidewalls. 2x6 sidewall is standard insulation, and the 2x6 sidewall is R19. It allows more insulation, plus it increases the structural integrity of the home. Another very important feature is our foam seal system. It is a method of attaching the drywall to the stud. The stuff is amazing. That's never going to move. LVL beams are used in all high stress areas. LVL stands for laminated veneer lumber. And if you look, this is all laminated. This beam is 2.5 times stronger than a piece of regular lumber that's exactly the same size. And that's used in all high stress areas. And it also adds a great deal of integrity to your home. System building controls cost. It's more efficient and equals lower cost of building, faster delivery, and decreased length of your construction line. A typical scenario in a site-built home is they build the basement or the foundation, and then the builder brings all the materials to the site and starts building the home. This process can take anywhere from many months to over a year. With the system-built home, we do the same thing. The basement or the crawl space, let it cure. But the difference is, with a system-built home, while that's being done, the home is being built. So when the basement is cured and ready to go, the home can be moved immediately to the building site, can be set and finished, and your time on that is going to be probably a little over 60 days, as adverse to months and months or a year.